Hello, in this video I will show you how to make a rose petal and hibiscus flower tea. It's very tasty and with the flavor, and adding of this lime here is an optional. We can also enjoy without any honey or lime. So let's start to make this tea, which is from fresh petals, rose petals, and then hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flowers are very good for, have a lot of nutrient with vitamin C. So let's start this one. So now you can see the water is started boiling. So I will close this stove and then add some of the flower petal into this water. A little bit more, and then cover it, and then I will open this. So these are the hibiscus flowers. We'll add some of these. 3-4 will be enough. Let's shake a little bit and add a little bit more flour. So this smells like a sweet and sour, and with the rose petal. So I will let them for 15 minutes so that everything will come inside, and occasionally we'll shake it, and after that we will filter it. So now I have just removed from the heating plate. Now it's 10 minutes is done, and you can see it has got very good color, and the smell is also very nice. So we'll filter it. And another one is here. And then this adding lime is an optional, and I'm adding one of them, some to add some extra flavor. And here I have this is honey. It's already getting on the, so a little bit honey. So this tea is very good for enjoying. Okay, that's it. Now it is already. So now this our teas are ready, and basically I like this tea without adding any lime and honey, but these two things are optional, and this will give you real taste of hibiscus and rose petal. So let's enjoy this tea.